Not too much of a problem. Mechanically, it's all fine, but yeah, I think there are better systems out there. So yeah, I'm going to build like a clip system, somewhere to hold it down. So I bought this car a while ago, but yeah, I thought this was an absolutely fantastic system. So the battery goes in there, and it just slides in like that and goes clunk. So yeah, that's a fantastic system. So I'm gonna take a few notes from this design and put it in this design. So yeah, taking a few crucial measurements. Okay, now that it's finally printed, this is the front, the swivel part, so that locks in and then it hinges off here. This is the front where the bar comes down and locks in. This is the bar itself, and this is the knob, and that's the pin to hold it down. So let's assemble it. Okay, let's take out the original battery straps. Alrighty, so just yeah, I'll put a bolt through there. Bad boy together. Okay. Happy days. Put the battery in. Bang. Plug it in. Way faster. Woohoo.